Okay, randomly found an elevator. Goes to escape and unwind. So the Grand Canal shops. I randomly found this one and it wasn't even intending to. I guess we'll just see where this goes. Oh, nice. See where this lets us out at. Oh, nice. Okay, found a hidden area. I like this cab too. Got a phone, Otis phone. I really like this cab. I guess I could consider this a spot elevator at the Plaza Grand Canal shops. Or actually, yeah, this is the Venetian, I guess. Wow, it's really slow. I don't know how much this travels. This might travel a lot of distance. I like these Otis elevators. I like the brown indicators. Oh, that one has a regular button. There it goes. And that's it.